video, I will explain what to do if your microwave oven has started sparking. When the microwave oven is turned on, there is a sparking sound coming from the right side near the magnetron. It is necessary to figure out what the problem is. I remove the protective cover located on top by unscrewing 2 bolts on one side and 4 bolts at the back. The cover shows a lot of dust from the operation of the cooling fan, as well as some black smoke that was present during operation. In the new microwave oven, we see the magnetron, high voltage transformer, control board, cooling fan, and a set of micro switches that detect when the door is closed. There is also a light bulb for illumination. The components that can burn out in microwave ovens are the fuse of the control board and the fuse of the high voltage transformer. It is located here at the bottom. If it shows no signs of life, first check these fuses. You need to remove the magnetron first and make sure it is functioning properly. To do this, we disconnect the power connector and unscrew 4 bolts located on both sides in order to access the 4th bolt, it is necessary to remove the upper protective cover. To safely disconnect the entire magnetron, ensure all power sources are off. Carefully detach each connection, checking for wear or damage. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines to avoid hazards. Here it has this appearance. As you can see clearly, in this particular context, there is a waveguide opening. First, it is necessary to clean the magnetron cap because there is a lot of carbon buildup, which may cause sparking. I use regular medium grit sandpaper for this. It is clear that it is intact. There are no burn marks, so it does not need to be replaced for now. On the microwave oven, it is visible that there is a small issue in the internal part. Burnt residue and debris. It will need to be thoroughly cleaned and scrubbed. Additionally, there is the same burnt residue inside the compartment. Even the paint has completely burned off due to the intense heat. The protective cover. It is clear that it has charred. It is made of plastic. Here, a bit of grease is visible. It needs to be cleaned anyway. It might also reflect microwaves. For now, I will not change the protective cover, but I will just wash it well. It is better to clean off grease with a special cleaning powder designed for ovens. It will effectively remove all grease deposits. We take the powder and thoroughly and completely clean both the outer and inner sides. Here is the soot. Now it is necessary to clean all the soot that has formed on the body of the waveguide using sandpaper. We also thoroughly clean and ensure that every single bit of soot and grime is meticulously and carefully removed from the other side. Now it is necessary to blow everything out thoroughly here or vacuum it with a vacuum cleaner. I will just blow gently with my mouth. Now we place the protective cover of the waveguide back in position. To do this, we simply align it with its place and snap it in. Everything is done as simply as possible here. There are such latches on this side. They are secured. We carefully screw the magnetron into place. we place a glass of water or a cup in it. The system has been checked thoroughly, ensuring that there are no sparks or issues. Everything is functioning smoothly and efficiently, with all components operating as expected. Let's check the water and see if it has changed. The water has become significantly warmer than it was. So the microwave is working. Now, all that is left is to put the protective cover in place, and the repair of the microwave will be finished.